girl. Yeah. That's sweet. Do you take her for walks?
Yeah.
Nice.
Or small.
We love
Penny.
pennies.
Chloe, look at that pony. That's a fancy pony.
Pennies are like pennies. This number 8. She's 8.
She's number 8? Oh, wow. Look how beautiful.
Penny's 8 years old.
She's 8 years old. Wow.
This
That's nice.
is the mommy. This is the mommy. Who is that? Twilight Sparkle. No, who's Twilight Sparkle is that?
It's Christiana's. Which I think is true of most of the toys that are in the room.
It's fell on the floor.
Oh, can you pick them up and organize them in a nice pile? Here, put them right here. Maybe you guys can sit here maybe and look.
This is what's her name again?
Those all get over here.
What's
All the cake napkins. Somebody grabbed the whole pile.
Name